Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill an anti-ragging affidavit by the student online. You will need to carefully navigate the official portal and accurately input your details. This process is crucial for upholding a safe and respectful academic environment for everyone. Understanding each step ensures your compliance and contributes to a positive campus culture. We will go through the entire process, making it simple and clear for you. Before you begin, gather all necessary information to ensure a smooth process. You will need your unique enrollment number and the specific AICT or UGC code for your institution. Additionally, have your precise personal details, including your date of birth and current address, ready for input. Do not forget the full name, mobile number, and email address of a parent or guardian, as their details are also essential. Start by accessing one of the official online portals, either antiragging.in or ammonmovement.org. Locate the clear link, usually stating "click here to fill your anti-ragging undertaking," and click on it. The form is divided into distinct sections, requiring details from both you as the student and your parent or guardian. Complete each field with utmost accuracy, paying close attention to every entry. After inputting all required information, take a moment to thoroughly review every field for accuracy. This step is critical to prevent any discrepancies later. Upon successful submission, you will promptly receive an email containing a unique registration number, which confirms your undertaking. Keep this number safe. It is your primary proof of completion. Consider printing this confirmation or saving a digital version immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.